So if you're like me, you're in a meeting, a lecture, or anytime someone's giving you like important instructions and you kind of zone out, you're not focusing, you're thinking about something else and you miss a thing or two. Well, luckily we have the Boya Notra. It's not just a microphone, it's being called the world's first AI note taker for everything from ambient meetings to phone calls and even Bluetooth conversations. Today we're gonna see if this tiny gadget can replace your pen and paper.
MrBlack.
And hey, welcome to the channel. If you like gadgets, gear, and accessories, you've come to the right place. That's what we do here. Hit that subscribe button also. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, Boya did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I could take my time, test out all the features, and share how it works and my experiences with you guys. And we've looked at some pretty innovative microphones from Boya here on this channel, and they're taking that technology and putting it into some really innovative tech. And first off, the hardware. This thing is sleek. It's crafted from aluminum alloy. It's only 0.27 inches thick and it weighs just 45 grams. It's smaller than a credit card. It's MagSafe compatible, so it just snaps right on the back of your phone. And on the front, you've got a single multi-function button, long press to start recording, short press to mark a highlight moment. There's also a physical mode switch where you can set it for ambient, phone call, and Bluetooth modes. It's simple, tactile, and no screen to distract you. This uses dual premium MEMS microphones for 360-degree pickup, whether you're in the front row or the back of a classroom. It's got a 10-meter range. Plus, the AI noise cancellation suppresses up to 30 decibels of background noises. Think air conditioning hums or even keyboard clicks. And the killer feature is in phone call mode. It uses a VPU bone conductor sensor. Because it's physically attached to your phone, it captures the vibration of the speaker's voice. So there's no "this phone call is being recorded" alerts, just clear two-way audio captured locally. If you're on a Zoom call using your earbuds, the Notra can hook into that Bluetooth stream to record digital audio directly. So the hardware is great, but the app is where the work really gets done. It uses top-tier modes like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude to transcribe over 140 languages. It doesn't just give you a wall of text, it labels different speakers and even generates mind maps. This is something so important if you have short-term memory loss and you just want to remember conversations that you had or very important conversations you had. Sometimes even talking to myself, I like to just hit record, and while I'm driving, I'm thinking of some ideas, I can just talk it all out, and then I can just go into the app and it's all summed up perfectly. Or if I'm talking to someone else, or even if I'm talking to my wife about housework, it'll take that hour-long conversation and just makes it so much more efficient. Spec-wise, you're looking at 64 gigabytes of onboard storage. That's roughly 8,000 hours of audio. Plus, it offers free, unlimited cloud backup with AES 256 encryption, so you know your information is secure. The battery life is a beast. You get 24 hours of continuous recording and a staggering 365-day standby time. And it fully charges with USB-C in about 2 hours. It comes in a variety of different colors. I love the orange one too. If you have that orange iPhone, that'll just look really sleek with it. Perfect for your meetings. Something like this is nice and sleek. It doesn't seem like you're putting a recorder out in the middle of the room when you're trying to record your meetings, which is kind of nice. And it just works so efficiently. The Boya Notra is a steal for students, journalists, and anyone that just attends back-to-back meetings. It takes the work out of workload by just letting you be present in the meeting, and then you can just get all of your information later on. I always love the idea of attending a big meeting with a bunch of people. You have this recording the meeting, you walk right out of it, and then within a minute, you can send off an email to everyone, giving them the finer points of that meeting. I feel like your team would be very impressed with that. So if you are someone that's looking to simplify your life, you don't have to remember as much because you have it all right here. This is a great option. And again, check out that link in the description for more information and the most current and up-to-date price. There might even be a coupon code down in the description, so do check it out down there. But that's it for today's video. Really impressed with this. It's just, it's just so sleek looking. I love that. And thanks so much for watching. If you want to see the other Boya videos that I've done, I have them on the screen, or any other really cool office tech or home tech. You can see any of these on the screen. Click one of those, and I'll see you next time.